In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable and use KuCoin staking on any coin. So this way you will be earning passive income with your crypto. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer so you can get free money just by creating a KuCoin account. You just need to create your account with the referral link in the description below, or you can also just paste the referral code at the sign up form. And this way you will enjoy different offers to get free money. As you can see, here are some of the different offers running right now. So there is this welcome bonus blitz where you can get 200 USDT. You also have an airdrop and some cash bonus. You can also scroll down to see more offers. In this case, it says 0 because I already have an account, but if you click the referral link, you will always see some different offers where you can claim free money just by creating your account. So this is very easy. Just go to KuCoin and then click earn, and you will find different options to earn stable income with your crypto. And you can use simple earn, for example, hold to earn, which are basically the same options because you will be earning rewards just by holding your crypto. And you also have staking. So if you click here, you will see a lot of different options to stake your coins. So you have coins like Ethereum, Solana, and much more. And you will find the same thing if you go to simple earn, for example. You can scroll down and you will find the different options. If you want to earn money with your Bitcoin, you can click here and you will find the different options. But for this case, we are going to use staking because maybe, let's say, it's giving us the best results on the coin we want to use, for example, Ethereum. You just need to search for the coin here and you will find all the options available. You will find the estimated APY right here. Then we can also see the terms. So in some cases it will be flexible, which means you can withdraw your money whenever you want and it won't be locked. But in some cases it will lock your coins for a specific date. So for example, if it says 60 days right here, it means that once you subscribe to this staking option, you won't be able to withdraw your money in 60 days. And if you do it, you won't get any rewards. So if you agree to everything, just click here and select the amount of Ethereum or the coin you want to stake. And right here, you will also see the estimated daily earnings you will be getting. So just click here and subscribe. And this way you will be earning a passive income of your coin and you can just withdraw your investment whenever you want. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.